ഹലോ ആസ്പിരൻസ്, ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് ഇൻ്റർനാഷണൽ ഡേയ്സിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ഡേയ്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് നോക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ബട്ട് ദിസ് ക്ലാസ് ഈസ് ഓൾ അബൌട്ട് ഇൻ്റർനാഷണൽ ഡേയ്സ് ഒബ്സർവ്ഡ് ബൈ ദ യുണൈറ്റഡ് നേഷൻ. അപ്പോൾ ഇൻ്റർനാഷണൽ ഡേയ്സ് ഒബ്സർവ്ഡ് ബൈ യുണൈറ്റഡ് നേഷൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ജാൻ ടു ഡിസംബർ വരെയുള്ള ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ഡേയ്സ് മാത്രം, UN ഒബ്സർവ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ഡേയ്സ് മാത്രമാണ് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് January 27th January, International Day for Commemoration in Memory of the Victims of Holocaust. In February, 4th February, World Cancer Day. 6th February, International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation. 13th February, World Radio Day. 20th February, World Day of Social Justice. 21st February, International Mother Language Day. In March, 1st March, Zero Discrimination Day. 3rd March, World Wildlife Day. 8th March, International Women's Day. 20th March, International Day of Happiness. 21st March, International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. 21st March, World Poetry Day. 21st March, International Day of Nowruz. 21st March, World Down Syndrome Day. 21st March, International Day of Forest. 22nd March, World Water Day. 23rd March, World Meteorological Day. 24th March, World Tuberculosis Day. 24th March, International Day for the Rights to the Truth concerning gross human rights violation and for the dignity of victims. 25th March, International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and the Transatlantic Slave Trade. 25th March, International Day of Solidarity with Detained Missing Staff Members. In April, 2nd April, World Autism Awareness Day. 4th April, International Day for Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action. 6th April, International Day of Sport for Development and Peace. 7th April, International Day of Reflection on the Genocide in Rwanda. 7th April, World Health Day. 12th April, International Day of Human Space Flight. 22nd April, International Mother Earth Day. 23rd April, World Book and Copyright Day. 23rd April, English Language Day. 24th to 30th April is World Immunization Week. 25th April, World Malaria Day. 26th April, World Intellectual Property Day. 28th April, World Day for Safety, Health at Work. 29th April, Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare. 30th April, International Jazz Day. In May, 3rd May, World Press Freedom Day. 8th to 9th May, Time for Remembrance and Reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War. 9th to 10th May, World Migratory Bird Day. 15th May, International Day of Families. 17th May, World Telecommunication and Information Society Day. 21st May, World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. 22nd May, International Day for Biological Diversity. 23rd May, International Day to End Obstetric Fistula. 29th May, International Day of UN Peacekeepers. 31st May, World No Tobacco Day. In June, 1st June is Global Day of Parents. 1st June, Vesak, the Day of Full Moon. 4th June, International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. 5th June, World Environment Day. 6th June, Russian Language Day at the UN. 8th June, World Oceans Day. 12th June, World Day Against Child Labor. 13th June, International Albinism Awareness Day. 14th June, World Blood Donor Day. 15th June, World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. 17th June, World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought. 20th June, World Refugee Day. 21st June, International Day of Yoga. 23rd June, United Nations Public Service Day. 23rd June International Widows Day, 25th June Day of the Seafarer, 26th June International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, 26th June United Nations International Day in support of victims of torture, July, 4th July, which is first Saturday in July, is International Day of Cooperatives, and 11th July is World Population Day, 15th July is World Youth Skills Day, 18th July is Nelson Mandela International Day, 28th July is World Hepatitis Day, 13th July International Day of Friendship, 30th July World Against Trafficking in Persons. In August, 9th August is International Day of the World's Indigenous People, 12th August is International Youth Day, 19th August is World Humanitarian Day, 23rd August is International Day for the Remembrance of Slave Trade and its Abolition, 29th August International Day Against Nuclear Tests, 30th August International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearance. In September, 5th September is International Day of Charity, 8th September is International Literacy Day, 12th September is United Nations for South Cooperation, 15th September is International Day of Democracy, 16th September is International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer, 21st September is International Day of Peace, 25th September World Maritime Day, 26th September International Day for the Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons, 27th September World Tourism Day. In October, 1st October is International Day of Older Persons. 2nd October is International Day of Non-Violence. 5th October is World Teachers Day. 5th October is World Habitat Day, which is first Monday in October. 9th October is World Post Day. 10th October is World Mental Health Day. 11th October is International Day of the Girl Child. 13th October is International Day for Disaster Reduction. 15th October is International Day of Rural Women. 16th October is World Food Day. 17th October International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. 24th October is United Nations Day. 24th October World Development Information Day. 27th October World Day for Audiovisual Heritage. 31st October World Cities Day. In November, 2nd November is International Day to End Impunity for Crime Against Journalists. 6th November International Day for Preventing the Exploitation of the Environment in War and Armed Conflict. 10th November World Science Day for Peace and Development. 14th November is World Diabetes Day. 15th November, which is third Sunday in November, is World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. 16th November is International Day for Tolerance. 19th November is World Toilet Day. 19th November, which is third Thursday in November, is World Philosophy Day. 20th November is Africa Industrialization Day. 20th November Universal Children's Day. 21st November World Television Day. 25th November International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. 29th November is International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people. And the last one is December. 1st December is World AIDS Day. 2nd December is International Day for the Abolition of Slavery. 3rd December is International Day of Persons with Disabilities. 5th December is International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development. 5th December is World Soil Day. 7th December is International Civil Aviation Day. 9th December is International Anti-Corruption Day. 10th December is Human Rights Day. 11th December is International Mountain Day. 18th December is International Migrants Day. 20th December is International Human Solidarity Day. So December 20 days important days ആയിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ എടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൻ്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുക്കാം. ആൻഡ് അതിൽ പറയാത്ത കുറേ ഡേയ്സ് ഞാൻ ഇതിൽ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ നിങ്ങൾക്കിത് സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുക്കാവുന്നതാണ്.